Welcome students of class 4 to your new GK class. That is, today we are going to enjoy the class because today's class is related to art and craft. So, art is not only limited on papers with colors, but it's the matter of creativity. So, with the help of papers, even in your art and class craft period, during your SUPW period, during your art period, you have seen that your particular subject teachers are making some creative things with those pieces of papers. So there are different names of this type of art. So let us discuss today and let us enjoy the topic, that is paper art. Okay, so paper art. When what can you do with a piece of paper? First of all, in the book it has been asked that what you can do with a piece of paper. Do you think instead of thinking about writing, reading, or noting down something, we can even do something else with the piece of paper? Yes, many of the people, those who are very creative, very innovative, they can think about it, like our Nayan sir in Badwan Model School, like our Shomitra sir in Badwan Model School, right? They can think many things about creation with the particular pieces of paper also. So here comes A, that is not much. Answer has been given not much. No, you are wrong. There is plenty you can do. So let us learn that which particular art of with the piece of paper is known by which particular term. Okay. So here comes question number A. Look at the names and pictures of paper arts. Match them with their descriptions. Number 1, that is collage. Number 1, that is collage. That means to assemble, yes, to bring together. Many different things can be brought together on one place or on one piece of paper or maybe on one canvas or maybe on one screen with the photographs, right? We have heard this term, that is collage. Now what is the exact definition of collage? So we have to match the exact definition of collage with the term collage. So here comes the art of assembling pieces of paper and pasting them. The art of assembling pieces of paper and pasting them artistically to form a unified whole. So to make a uniform picture, that to make a creative thing, something, many pieces of paper are being brought together, they are being pasted together to form a new thing, that is called collage. Okay, with the help of collage you can make cards, you can make wall pieces. Okay, so let us match the term with B. Okay, next comes origami and kirigami. This is also a form of art, paper art. Now this form, what is meant? It means that it is a Japanese art. It's a Japanese art. The Japanese art of paper folding and paper cutting is known as origami. It is known as origami, where the Japanese people is having some special techniques to fold the paper, to cut the paper, and to make some new creative things. But all over the world, these various or variations of art has been accepted with free mind, right? So here origami is the particular piece art of paper which has been introduced by Japanese, and it's number E. It's number E. So let us match number 2 with E. Next Next comes, it is paper mache. Paper mache is another form of art. Now, what is this? The art of making different objects by gluing paper strips together. Here, with different papers, you have to make different parts, and then after, with the help of glue, you will stick them to make one particular creative thing. Like, as we have usually seen that with the paper, sir is making sometimes legs, then after the body, then after the neck, and in this way, then after he joins all the parts, and it is known as that what? It is known as paper mache, and he is making a new thing out of those different paper parts, right? So here the number 3, paper mache, will be joined with number 3. Number 3 will be joined with A. Okay. A. Next is number 4, quilling. Number 4 is quilling. Quilling here is nothing but using paper strips to make some creative things, right? So, the art of using strips of rolled up paper, shaped and glued together into different designs or shapes, that is known as quilling. So, here number 4, quilling, will be matched with the definition of C. Next comes decoupage. Decoupage is one more form of art where the art of it is the art of decorating something by gluing colored paper cutouts onto it. Maybe it will be some object on which, with the help of color paper, it is been glued out as you want the design, and then after sealed with coats of varnish, it has been varnished, and what happens? So that it ends up looking like painting. It ends up looking like a painting. That is called decoupage, and it's number 5, and here alphabetically it will be matched with number D. So usually paper art is being taught from the very early age. Very simple paper arts. If you remember, even in your childhood, very early childhood, you have made festoons in your artwork, right? You have made envelopes, bags, and pen holders, creative pen holders with pencil, ice cream sticks. You have made boats with paper. You have made kites with kite papers, right? So different types of things even you have made, and those were also the piece of art, and it was very much valuable for your class teacher also. You have gifted her, maybe sometimes you have gifted her, and it has been kept very nicely with her. So these are some of the arts which you can do on your own at home and make a creative thing. So students, I conclude my class over here. I hope today you will try something new with paper and you will form a new paper art. So along with that, be happy, always smile, and learn always something new during this period, right? Bye bye.